Want Amazon to fulfill your eBay orders? I'll be showing you how to connect Amazon FBA to eBay with this step-by-step guide. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So here's a listing on Amazon, right? Here's a listing on eBay. And what happens is right when somebody purchases it on eBay, we use this tool that's completely free, and automatically it notifies Amazon. Amazon creates a shipment and ships it to the eBay customer. So pretty much if you are selling on eBay and you have Amazon inventory, you don't have to ship items yourself. You can have Amazon FBA automatically do it, automatically put in the tracking number. And it's completely free, this tool. So first, you're gonna log into Amazon and you're gonna make sure you have FBA inventory. So you're gonna look at this, say this is my Amazon account. You're gonna look in, and right now you can see inbound, it does not have any available FBA inventory. So you need to make sure it's available first, right? You need available Amazon FBA inventory. That's step one. Step two is it's time to recreate that listing on your eBay account. Right? So you're going to recreate it. The main thing on your eBay account is it needs to have this same exact SKU as your Amazon account. So you can see here's the SKU. It says BRFT-Earth-500 CT. And you can see right here, BRFT-Earth-500 CT. Okay? So there it is. And you want to make sure that that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do is make sure those two have the same SKU. Right? And this has Amazon FBA inventory. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in map my channel, and it should take you to mapmychannel.com. Okay. So you're going to click on this, and then you're simply just going to click login. And then once you're here, you're going to click sign up in the bottom. You're just going to sign up, right? Create a username, an email, a password, just like I did. And it's going to be like registered successfully. Right? Once you do that, then you're going to connect your eBay account. So you're going to fill out your account name, right? Test, US, connect your eBay account. It's going to take you to the next page. You connect your Amazon account, and then you just go through the settings. Very, very easy, right? Free trial. I'm completely honest. It's completely free, right? Unless they change the policies after this video. But as of right now, I'm going to show you. And then next, what's going to happen is you're going to go through the integration. So it's going to look something like this, right? Where your sales channel is eBay. I just recommend to just copy my settings, right? It's going to make it easy, right? So put the statuses on for both. eBay, you want it to order sync, tracking sync, and inventory sync. So that means it syncs the same inventory as your Amazon. So if your Amazon account runs out of FBA stock, then your eBay account automatically shows 0. Pretty good, so you don't have to manually do it. Order sync, so that way if there's an eBay order, it automatically notifies Amazon. And then tracking sync. Right when Amazon ships the item out and gets the tracking number, it automatically plugs it into eBay for you. So this is automation to the best of its ability, right? And it might look confusing, but it's extremely easy once you get a hang of it and you start out, right? And then manage your mappings. You can click the settings, right? So that way Amazon doesn't ship it in a Amazon box. They ship it in a blank box, right? So there's different settings you can use. So you can just go through the settings, make sure all the shipping's good to go. And then what I want you to do next is not order yourself, but you want to go to your eBay account. Let's say this is your listing, and you want to have a friend order your product, right? And then just make sure there's no errors. If there is an error that pops up, what you want to do is go to the help center, and you can actually schedule a call same day with the owner of this for free of Map My Channel, and then they'll tell you how to fix it and everything. So it's very, very good. Now, if you want to see how much it costs, you're going to go to plans, okay? And you're going to see, oh my gosh, it costs, no, there's a free plan right here, okay? And you get 35 orders a month for free. So like, it's pretty darn good. If you're getting more than 35 orders a month on eBay, that's getting automatically filtered, then you can always upgrade to the $29 a month. But there's a free plan. That's the most important thing. It's free to start. And so far, it's been really, really good. I haven't even had to upgrade. I don't know if they're fully keeping track, but yeah, you can stay on the free plan as long as you want until you have to upgrade. So it's very, very, very good, and it's great. Now, if you want an in-depth course, there's a link in our description on how to visit our website or see all of our courses. You're just going to go to courses. And not only do we have an eBay connection course, but we also have a TikTok connection course. We've got stealth account, a lot of different stuff right here. But if you want to get to an in-depth eBay to Amazon course, we've got one right here. And it's on Udemy, so they always have discounts. I don't really make any money off of this, but I just put tons of time in a step-by-step course where I break it down much more in depth in this video, so that way you don't run into any errors at all. Completely up to you. But this video should be solid and more than enough for you to get started. And of course, I do have that course if needed. But that's it for today's video. If you want to see more Amazon or eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you are an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon or eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full e-commerce account management service. We're going to be managing your Amazon account, your eBay account, and helping you expand to these platforms right the first time. We manage eBay. We know how to increase your sales as well as Amazon and make sure that we're monitoring your account 24/7 so you can save time, money, and increase sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.